Hey, this is Riley with Best Pro Trade. I am long two contracts on the CL. I had support on the 1 minute chart at 32.45, and then the 1 minute chart is to the right. And I had support at 32.44 on the 5-2 wrinkle bar chart, which is to the left. Trading panel for the CL is in the bottom left hand corner. This is my ES trading panel in the upper left hand corner. I've got my first target. I'm using the 5-2 wrinkle bar chart. There's a resistance line at 32.76, and I've got my first target 2 ticks below that. I've got my second target just pushed out of the way. I got a buy signal, spike on the trend exhaustion on the 5-2 wrinkle bar chart, and the third up bar I got a positive bar on the multi-mac. But I anticipated the reversal, this buy signal, because of the support that's outside the band on both the 5-2 wrinkle bar chart and the 1 minute chart. I'm going to bring my stop up to a break even plus a couple of ticks. I got the precision trend line with a floating fib on the 1 minute chart right at the mid band. And I'm going to leave my target where it's at. Price needs to break that precision trend line and come on up on the 1 minute chart. You can see that on the 5-2 wrinkle bar chart I do not have a floating fib at the mid band, but it looks like I'm going to get a little retracement. Trend is still not strong to the upside. I've still got 2 red sell bullets on the trading panel and 3 no trades. 1, 2, 3 minute charts are telling me I got a buy signal. And there's news coming out at 10 o'clock, consumer confidence, and they're expecting a high impact when that report comes out. Okay, it's 10 o'clock. I'm going to raise my stop up a couple of ticks and put it underneath the precision trend line and the price range line. Okay, my first target's been filled. I got a buy star a couple of ticks below the closing price of the candle with the buy star is right below the blue resistance line, and the trading panel is still telling me long-term trend is still down. And it's having a hard time breaking that blue resistance line at 32.76. I'm going to raise my stop up and put it right under that candle with a tail. I'm going to flatten the market. If I get a closing, if I get a down bar, I'm going to go ahead and just exit this trade and flatten the market. Okay, the trading panel never got green on the long-term trend. The 10, 20, 30, 15, 30, 60 charts still giving me a red sell. So I went ahead and exited that trade because that was a reversal, a buy signal. Well, I anticipated the buy. You can see the price hit the mid band and finally went up and hit my target. And that's the second trade I made, trying to catch that reversal. The first one, let me put some arrows there so you can see. Okay, my first trade was I entered at 32.55, and my first target was 32.74, and I got stopped out. I had a little slippage on that one. I had a 1 tick loss on that, and then I entered again at 32.48 and hit my first target, and I just went ahead and flattened the market with my second target. Let's see what I did this morning. Okay, 2 contracts, and both of them were long, 62 ticks. 2 trades, 2 contracts each. Okay, I'm back on the NASDAQ. I am long 2 contracts. I got a buy signal, spike on the trend exhaustion, and the second up bar, I got a positive bar on the multi-MAC, and you can see I got divergence on the MACD average. You can see the red lines on the chart itself. So I've got my first target at the mid band on the 5-2 wrinkle bar chart. Got my second target just pushed out of the way. I've got my stop below the pivot low, right where I got the buy. It's just below the candle with the buy signal on it. Okay, I'm going to move my first target down and put it just below that fuchsia resistance line. I tell you what, I'm going to put it up here below the blue resistance line. So I've got double resistance on the 5-2 wrinkle bar chart. And on the 1 minute chart, I've got the price level line at 41.92. And that's where my first target is. Just going to pull my second target up out of the way. Okay, the price is hitting the mid band in that fuchsia resistance line. I'm going to pull my stop up a little bit and put it right under the lower band. I'm going to raise my stop up to a break even plus a couple of ticks. And it's trying to hit my first target. Okay, my first target has been filled. I'm going to adjust my second target and put it a couple of ticks below the price level line at 41.97.5. So the trading panel, I took the buy signal, but the trading panel, I've got 4 no trades and only 2 red bullets. 73% bulls right now in the market. Market analyzer windows are mixed. Amateurs are trying to buy the market up, and institutional traders are still trying to sell it. So I'm just going to let this trade unfold. See what happens. I'm in a free trade. And I'm going to raise my stop up and put it a couple of ticks below the precision trend line. Oh, there you go. I got the fuchsia resistance line painting just outside the upper band. I'm going to put my target 3 ticks below that resistance line that's outside the band on the 5-2 wrinkle bar chart. Raise my stop up another couple of ticks. Here we go. Oh, missed me by a tick. Oh, good grief. I'm going to raise my stop up and put it right under the precision trend line. Oh, good grief. Come on, another push up. Looks like I'm going to get stopped out again on my second contract. Price hit the precision trend line, price level line, and missed me by 1 tick so far. Alright, got me that time. Okay, you got my first target filled just below the resistance line, and my second target was stopped out by a couple of ticks, and now the price is like it's going to go sideways for a little bit. Okay, made $210 on that one long trade on the NASDAQ, 2 contracts on that one trade, 210. Gives me a total for the morning of $830. This is Riley with Best Pro Trade, wishing you the best in all your trading.